Now, the Congress has cited several instances to back its vote chori allegations. We get you the news once again, which is the big news of the day. In one case, 12 fake logins were allegedly created using the identity of a woman named Godabai. The mobile numbers from outside, we will be bringing you that news in a bit. We have another news right now coming in. This is that India is going full throttle on the defense firepower. From the sky to the seas, the government is preparing to finalize a series of long-awaited mega defense deals in the coming weeks. Now, India Today has been tracking all the inside details.
India is going full throttle on firepower. From the skies to the seas, it is a defense shopping spree with a desi twist. And the top of the list is Rafale 2.0. The Air Force wants 104 more French berths to plug the squadron shortfall. With the last MiG-21s flying their farewell sortie from Chandigarh next week. Sources say the deal is being fast-tracked and the first new Rafale squadron could land within 18 months of the deal being inked. The proposal is already before the Ministry of Defence under the scanner of Defence Finance, and will soon move up to the Defence Procurement Board and the Acquisition Council, the green signal pipeline for India's big-ticket buys. The IAF has 29 active squadrons, way short of the sanctioned 42. Rafales are meant to fill that gap first, but it is not just Air Force. The Navy too is getting a power up with 6 more P-8I submarine hunters from the US. A long-range maritime patrol aircraft with a range of over 2,000 kilometers. It packs multiple radars and sensors to detect threats more than 300 kilometers away. And when needed, it can strike back with anti-ship missiles, mines and torpedoes. The deal for 6 more of these flying frigates is on the cards. A Pentagon team, along with Boeing's reps, are in India, and sources say there has been no impact of the tariff tussle on the deal. And then there is Tejas twist. A mega pact with GE Aerospace for 103 F404 engines has been sealed to power 97 new Tejas Mk1A fighters. HAL is already gearing up to hand over the first 2 Tejas Mk1As next month. Rafale, P-8I, Tejas. India's defense deals aren't just about hardware. They are about hard power. The message is clear. While others play games, India is busy upgrading. From land, air to sea, the arsenal is getting sharper. The sky is the limit. With Shivani Sharma and Ankita Garg, Bureau Report, India Today.